In computational fluid dynamics, and also in other domains, there are many situations where a spatial overview is not relevant or practical for users. For example, when the expert already has a good mental overview of the data, or when an analysis of a large overall structure may not be related to the specific task of the user. In contrast, spatial details are at the very core of most engineering and biomedical visualization endeavors, from vortices and flow simulation to bonding sites and protein structures. In this discourse paper, we provide theoretical reasoning and practical evidence to support a details-first, show-context, overview-last model. In the model instantiation shown in this clip, we demonstrate this approach on a problem in computational fluid dynamics, the evolution of viscous fingers. Viscous fingers are areas of high concentration formed when a higher density fluid such as oil is poured into a lower density fluid such as water. The fingering process is non-deterministic and can lead to instability. To study this process, multiple stochastic simulations with non-deterministic properties must be executed, resulting in a simulation ensemble. The key aspect is that the finger features are not numerical cells in a table. Like many other fluid phenomena, they do not have concrete definitions and require a skilled user with soft knowledge in order to be visually identified, separated, and investigated. In a first phase, a domain expert used the visual interface and computational backbone to identify, define, and refine the finger structures in their context. The expert then used finger details in the computational backbone to derive relevant characteristics for the fingers in their time-based analysis across the simulation run. Finally, the expert derived entire simulation characteristics from the finger characteristics and used them to construct an overview of the simulation ensemble. In the second phase illustrated here, the expert compared the simulation characteristics between the different ensemble runs to identify those that were most similar. The expert identified a new ensemble run for analysis and inspected the time-based characteristics across the simulation run. Noticing different context information in the ensemble run, the expert then ended their investigation by exploring the finger structures in the detailed view.